Hello everyone, today I am going to share a very healthy and easy breakfast or snack recipe. Now let's see the ingredients we need. Bread slices, eggs, the quantity depends on the number of servings you want. Boiled corn, chopped garlic cloves, onions and lettuce. Now toast the bread slices and put them aside. Next, take a pan and add some oil and let it heat. Then add garlic, onions, and let them fry for a while. After that, add chili flakes and lettuce and mix everything properly. Now put the lid and let them cook for some time. Then add salt to taste. Next add the boiled corn. Garam masala and put it aside. Meanwhile, add a pinch of salt and beat the eggs finely. Next, take another pan and add butter or oil. Spread the butter finely. Then put the toasted bread slices on the pan and top them with the mixture we made earlier this way. Next, pour the eggs on top of them. And after some time, flip the toast and put the lid and let them cook for some time. Finally, it's ready. Now shift them into a plate and serve hot. That's it. Very healthy and easy to make. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to check out our other videos. Thank you.